To create your company, click on the Sign Up as a User link at the bottom of the screen. Complete all the fields with your details for the new company. Remember your password. This password will be required to log into the company. Confirm you accept the terms and conditions and click on the Sign Up button. Next, you will complete your company details and set up your branding and financial details. Enter your company's address and banking details. The company's address will display on the top part of your document, and your banking details will display at the bottom of your document. To insert your company logo, select the location you saved the logo. The logo will be uploaded, and you can select to display the logo on the top left or top right of your documents. Select a layout from the 3 available options. Click on each layout for a preview of the layout, then select the preferred layout from the drop-down menu. Finally, select the option if you are VAT registered or not. Your VAT number will display under the document name. Enter the VAT number in the VAT number field. Select the number of decimals to display when selling inventory items. This is important if you sell portions of a product. Confirm your financial year end date and click the Finish button. You are now ready to process.